And after that Supreme Court decision, some people are worried this could set a new precedent, challenging other rights relating to marriage, equality, or even contraceptives. But is that really the case? Well, we spoke to a local law expert to break it all down for us.
The dissenting opinion argued, well, this now opens the door for the overturning of more precedents, that seems like the path they're heading.
There are many rights, such as the right to marry, that are not specifically stated in the Constitution. These are called unenumerated rights, and they rely on court precedent to stay constitutional. The right to an abortion was one such right, and now the court's dissenting judges worry about a domino effect. But Texas A&M Central Texas law professor Lucas Loafman says the court's conservative majority already said they won't go that far.
They were very careful to distinguish why this was distinct from the others, that the dynamics of an abortion are different than the rights that have been granted otherwise.
In fact, the majority opinion specifically names cases related to gay marriage and contraceptives and says, "We have stated unequivocally that nothing in this opinion should be understood to cast doubt on precedents that do not concern abortion." And the majority opinion also said, "We emphasize that our decision concerns the constitutional right to abortion and no other right." And while the court has now given states the right to make abortion law, Loafman says the fight isn't over.
You give it back to the people, but then the litigation, instead of the pro-life people bringing the litigation, now the pro-choice people will bring the litigation.
And with no national standard for if and when abortions can happen, Democrats are saying they will push for legislation.
The elections this November will have consequences.
Loafman says with enough additional lawsuits on both sides, the issue will likely return to the high court once more.
That there may be some additional restrictions, rights that get added back in judicially as we move forward.
Andrew Moore, 6 News.
Good informational report there from Andrew. Thank you for that.